The extraordinary journey of Seeley International begins in 1972 when Frank and Kathy Seeley take on Seeley Brothers, started by Frank and his brother Cedric. Frank and Kathy's 4 children, Barry, John, Tim and Kari, have all been involved in the business over the years. The Seeley family have grown the business from their garage into the nation's largest air conditioning manufacturer. And today, John is the Group Managing Director of Seeley International, which has become a global leader in developing ingenious, energy-efficient cooling and heating products and a strong presence around the world. With next-generation manufacturing capability and state-of-the-art robotic assembly machines, fully automated for highly innovative, super energy-efficient heating and cooling products. Together with our dedicated people, Seeley International continues to lead the world in developing and manufacturing products for a more sustainable future. Delivering the largest evaporative air conditioning project in the world. In 2022, Seeley International celebrates its golden anniversary, 50 years of world-leading climate control solutions.